A raisin is a dried grape. Raisins are produced in many regions of the world and may be eaten raw or used in cooking, baking, and brewing. In the United Kingdom, Ireland, New Zealand, and Australia, the word raisin is reserved for the dark-colored, dried large grape. Benefits: raisins help to lower the risk of heart diseases by reducing blood pressure and blood sugar. Raisins are a good source of fiber and work to lower bad cholesterol. Raisins are also a good source of potassium, and this potassium helps to regulate blood pressure. Raisins also have a significant amount of phytonutrients. These act as antioxidants and help to prevent cell damage. Raisins have a considerably low glycemic index, hence they do not cause a spike or reduction in blood sugar, making them a suitable alternative for people with diabetes. Raisins are a good source of iron, and they in treating iron deficiencies such as anemia. Raisins are rich in soluble fibers essential for digestive health and also may help in weight management. Raisin is rich in micronutrients as iron and copper, helping fight anemia. Possible side effects: excessive consumption may affect gut health and also cause allergic reaction. The fiber present in raisins may cause digestion issues such as gas, bloating, and cramps, that is, if the raisins are consumed in large quantities. Quantity recommendations: I would recommend an everyday consumption of at least 1.5 cups of raisins daily. In women and men can consume about 2 cups. This portion contains approximately 129 calories and no fats, hence they will not sabotage one's health. I would recommend a small pack with around 20 to 30 raisins to have all health benefits, regulate intestinal health, and may help to control appetite.